Today's math lesson, lesson 6, is on interpreting the unknown in division using the array model. I am going to do number 6 from their homework as a video to show us what we learned today for this math lesson. Number 6 says, the blanks in problem 5 represent the number of groups. Draw an array to represent the equations. So these are the blanks that are from number 5. And if you're going to draw an array, well, we know that 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So if we're going to draw an array, this number right here represents the number of groups. So that means the number of rows. So we're going to have 3 rows. This number here represents the number in each group. So if there's 5 in each group, I will have 3 groups with 5 in each. Here's my rectangular arrangement or array, and the total obviously is 15. So we talked in class today that this number represents the number of groups, this number will represent the number in each group, and then this number represents the total. Same thing with the division problem. Total, number in each group, number of groups. So we talked about how in division it's obviously the opposite of multiplication, but what the numbers represent in an array, whether it's a multiplication problem or a division problem, can be the same.